Hi everyone, today I will show you how to insert your needle into your industrial machine properly. First, lift the presser foot and unthread the needle. To begin, you can use your finger to hold the needle or you use a tweezer. I prefer to use my finger. Now you get a screwdriver to loosen the screw to your right. Do not remove it. Once you notice that the needle is loose, remove it. Now looking at the needle, you see this long hollow. It is called the long groove. While this small hollow is called the scarf. So what you're going to do now is to turn this long hollow, which is the groove, to your left, just like this. Ensure it is facing your left and then insert it back into the machine. Once you insert it properly, then you can tighten your screw. As soon as you observe that the needle is no longer loose, then you can thread your machine. Enjoy sewing.